Hello and thank you for joining me in this virtual space. I hope you're having an awesome day today. In today's video, I will be sharing a recipe that my daughter and I did to make her homemade toothpaste. It's super simple and it's for anyone who may be thinking about switching from a traditional toothpaste to a more natural toothpaste that you can make at home. I've been using homemade toothpaste with her since she got her teeth. I used traditional toothpaste one time, and even though it wasn't a bad experience, I really enjoy doing little DIY projects and just making her homemade toothpaste for her. I also heard about some of the harmful chemicals that they put into toothpaste, and even though I will not get into the specifics here, I will link to an article below that you can click on that will tell you about all of that stuff and why it's not good to put those things into our kids' bodies. This recipe is super simple and it only uses 3 ingredients, and you probably already have them in your home. I will list all of the ingredients below, and if you don't have something, you can just click on that link and it will take you to Amazon where they can just ship it directly to your house. Okay, so the first ingredient that you will need is coconut oil. Now with the coconut oil, you want to make sure that it is the unrefined coconut oil and not the refined coconut oil. I made the mistake of getting refined coconut oil and later learned that the unrefined coconut oil is what you want when you're making any type of toothpaste, because that has all the health benefits that you want for your mouth. The second ingredient is sea salt. Now with the sea salt, you also want to make sure that it is fine sea salt and not the coarse sea salt. And you will need baking soda. You will also need to have you a little container. I got a glass container with the lid because you want to make sure that no air can get into it. Now y'all, this is something that I really enjoy doing. I let her decorate the little outside of the glass container. Now this was my very first time doing this, and I was like, you know what, a marketing technique and tactic that these companies use is they put these characters on these plastic containers, and this is what make our kids like, I want that, mommy, I want Elmo, or I want Peppa Pig, or I want whoever. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get some stickers of some cartoons that she watched, and she has been really into this one cartoon. I cannot think of the name of it right now because I don't even know the name of it, but I got her the stickers because I was like, she watches this all the time. And so I actually let her decorate the stickers, and we got some bling, and she put that around her jar. And I just think that that makes them even more excited to use this natural toothpaste, because hey, if you really want to compare, I think what she did looked a lot better than what they do at the store. So we did that, and I let her decorate that first, and then we got into making the toothpaste. You're going to take 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 4 tablespoons of the coconut oil, and I mean, she just had a ball. She wanted to do this part herself, so I just let her do it and let her just get in there and dip everything out. Now if your coconut oil is solid, you may have to melt it down a little bit. Our house is super warm since it's in the winter time, so it was already in a liquid state. And you're going to take 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, and then you're going to mix everything together. And I let her do that too. Actually, before I put it into our little container, I mixed it up to make sure that everything was mixed in together. Then after you do that, you just pour it into your little jar and you close up that lid. When it's time for her to brush her teeth, I just let her dip her toothbrush into her jar, and she just goes at it and brushes her teeth. After brushing her teeth, we run the toothbrush under some hot water to kill the bacteria, and we also do that before she actually brushes her teeth. Now, if you're kind of weary about sticking the toothbrush back into the toothpaste container, you can actually buy some things on Amazon that are made for people that make their toothpaste, and you just put it in there, and it's a squeezable tube. I will link that also in the description box below, that you can check that out and see if you like it. Since she's the only one using this container, and I really don't see a problem with it because we are putting it under the hot water and getting rid of the bacteria, I just let her do it, and she goes on and she does her own thing, and she actually likes doing it that way. So that's what I do. If you really don't want to make your own toothpaste at home, there are other toothpaste that you can use that are natural, that are vegan, that are chemical free, and I will list them down in the description box below, and you can actually go through them. They range from like $3 to $10 depending on how much you want to get, and you can get these all at Amazon, and you can really just try them out to see which kinds you like. If you guys have made any type of natural toothpaste or DIY toothpaste at home, please leave down in the comments below some of the things that you did, or maybe even some suggestions that I can try that as I make my toothpaste a little bit better for her, and as she become more aware and more older, I know that I would probably have to spice it up a little bit. I have been looking into making some chocolate toothpaste. I've seen a recipe for that, and also maybe just using some more natural products so that if she does swallow it, that it will not harm her. So when I'm saying natural products, like some sweeteners that can make it a little bit sweet, but I'm like, why do it? Like, if she doesn't really have an issue with the taste now, why put her on something that she might be like, oh, this tastes good, and never go back? That's kind of how I feel about sweets. Like, if I never introduced her to sweets, she wouldn't be asking for ice cream. But now that she knows what ice cream tastes like, she's always asking for ice cream. But anyways, let me know in the comments below if y'all tried anything or you have any suggestions that I could try. And I really want to thank you guys for tuning into this video and joining me in this virtual space. And if you have not already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like, share, and comment below if you would like. And I will see you in the next video. Y'all have an awesome day. Peace out.